In this Fork review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to create done-for-you restaurant food ordering websites that you can sell to local businesses and allow them to save a ton of money, and you get paid in the meantime. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a bundle discount on everything. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Forrk, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here, including some developer licenses here to previous software. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the biggest opportunity in marketing in a decade. Groundbreaking technology makes you a pandemic marketing superhero. Earn monthly fees selling Grubhub-like mobile menu and ordering systems to desperate local restaurants about to shut down. So essentially what's happening here are these restaurants are paying a ton of fees to these websites like Grubhub, these food ordering websites, and it's causing them a lot of problems in their business. Essentially, they're paying fees to them. They're not making as much money as they could be. What you can do is you can get in there and actually provide them with this service, and they won't need to pay all of those commissions to those big websites. You can create auto-land pre-qualified restaurant leads, auto-create modern restaurant sites, auto-create safe QR code menus, so people can go into like a restaurant and just scan their phone instead of having like a physical menu that spreads germs and stuff, so people can actually go and put it right on their phone there when they sit down at a table. Gorgeous done-for-you themes, integrate the client's payment processor for pickup or delivery orders, advanced product customization, order and delivery analytics. You get the agency rights and commercial rights, obviously, so you can actually provide this as a service and sell these, and you get a ton more included with this here. Now, you can see here, I mean, more than 110,000 eating and drinking establishments closed in 2020. It's a big problem right now. Most likely you have ordered food online in the last year. I'm guessing. Most people have, and most people are doing it for the first time too. People that have never done it before. A lot of baby boomers are doing it just because maybe they didn't do it in the past, but they had to now because of the way that the world is here. Now, this is going to tell you a little bit more about why this is a problem here. A lot of people, they can't afford to set up their own listings here. They can afford the fees. They want to have these zero contact menus, but they can't. And you're going to save these restaurants and actually help people, which is one of the things I really, really like about this, is you can actually help people with this. Now, you can find the pre-qualified leads with this. You can find customers that are actually using things like Grubhub already. So these people are already interested in doing online sales. Now you can give them a solution that's going to save them money. Build their QR code charges menu and ordering system for them, and then you can add in like a menu. You can make a website for them, building high converting food listings. They monitor pickup and delivery orders while you collect a monthly fee for this. You can charge a base monthly fee for this, depending upon the area that you're in. You can charge anywhere from $97 a month to $1,000 a month. I mean, it depends where you are in the world, of course, what kind of a fee you're going to be charging. You want to test that out and see what people are receptive to in your area here. Scan, browse, pay, all these different things here. I'm not going to go through everything here, as I'm going to show you a little bit of a demo here in a second. So there's two different licenses. There's the starter and there's the enterprise. Most people, when we have these listings, this one's kind of a decoy, and then the one on the right hand side is usually the real one. So at this time, that's $51, but that price is going to go up throughout the launch period. So don't quote me on this price here, because it might be higher once you get to this page here. So what I'm going to do now is show you a video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you some real example sites, the backend area, the OTOs, and the bundle discount that I will have a link to below.
Hundreds of thousands of restaurants shut down in the past several months, and many more are on the brink. Why? Because they need a marketer to show them how to set up mobile ordering and delivery, how to set up a mobile ordering site, how to implement safe QR code touchless menus. See, it's no surprise people have grown accustomed to staying at home and ordering food online. through services like Grubhub and Uber Eats, killing walk-in traffic. When they dine in, they don't feel safe touching old-school plastic menus many other people have already touched and don't return. To make things worse, those restaurants that have had no choice but to use Grubhub and Uber Eats systems to accept mobile payments are drowning in the high fees these big tech companies charge. They are desperate to do mobile ordering and contactless food pickup without giving up 30% of their profit to these exploitative systems. That's why we've spent 2 years coding the ultimate solution to keep amazing local restaurants open, and you get paid monthly for doing so. Introducing Forrk. Forrk is a groundbreaking cloud app that creates everything restaurants need to survive and thrive in a post-pandemic world. Set up online ordering for restaurants that can't afford to pay huge fees to Uber Eats, Grubhub, Deliveroo, and more. Create zero-contact menus and table payments for customers to feel safer when dining in. Save restaurants from closing while you get a monthly paycheck as their local marketing superhero. And more. Forrk can. Step 1. Find pre-qualified restaurant leads. The Forrk lead system will show you how to find pre-qualified local restaurants to sell Forrk services to. Find the best clients that need mobile websites, ordering systems, alternatives to Grubhub, and more. Step 2. Build their QR code touchless menu and ordering system. Then, customize, print out, or embed a QR code touchless menu that goes to a mobile ordering system for the restaurant client. When scanned, the QR code will load the restaurant's menu for their customers to view and order from on their phone, whether in the restaurant or from home. They can then order and pay with ease from the mobile menu that will be created alongside it. In addition to their smart menu and ordering system, Forrk can create a fully fledged mobile site for the client too. Pick from DFY templates and host the site on Forrk servers. Step 3. Build high-converting food listings. Then, populate their smart menu with the restaurant's food items and menu deals. Build high-converting intelligent food listings complete with descriptions, reviews, FAQs, videos, deals, and more like McDonald's or KFC do to boost profits. Step 4. Integrate touchless pay for mobile deliveries and pickup. Then, integrate the client's PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, or another payment processor, including manual pay systems to take no-contact payment. They can track order payments and delivery status of mobile or pickup delivery orders. The client's business gets saved while you collect a monthly fee for providing access to the app. Some unique features never seen before in any app include QR Touchless Menu Creator. Create QR code contact-free menus restaurant clients can print out and place in food tables, place in flyers, or embed on their website. Many customers will only dine in restaurants that are completely no-touch, so this is essential to have. Plus, customers can order food anywhere on the fly with a smart menu it links to. No more expensive Grubhub fees to place pickup or delivery orders. E-com Restaurant Mobile Site Builder. Choose from lots of gorgeous DFY restaurant templates to create and sell. Replace a restaurant's outdated HTML sites with our mobile-friendly, high-converting one fast. Everything is customizable to their brand. Point-and-click easy customization. Use our point-and-click editor to customize their smart QR code, mobile menus, products, websites, and more easily. Make everything look highly professional and customized exactly to the restaurant's brand. DFY Gorgeous Restaurant Themes. Choose from a variety of gorgeous DFY restaurant templates to create and sell. Themes include a number of popular food niches like Italian or barbecue. Plus, pick from niches outside of the food industry like spa or pets to sell mobile ordering services to any industry. DFY QR menu and product templates. Choose from lots of DFY smart menu and product templates in many different colors and food niches. Customize everything in just a click to make your smart menus and food listings look A+ and highly professional. Advanced menu and product customization. Customize everything you want about each product you'll add to the restaurant's new QR code mobile payment menu. Add descriptions, images, layouts, and even allow reviews for higher conversions. Integrate the client's payment processors. Integrate your restaurant client's PayPal, Razorpay, Stripe, manual payment account, and more with just a click. Allow the restaurant's customers to order online for delivery, pickup, or touchless in their physical location now. The restaurant client can then give refunds, check orders, check sales, and more through their payment processor account. order monitoring and delivery. Allow the restaurant owner to track mobile payment orders and see the status of each order, including if the food order is in delivery or has been fulfilled. Email marketing integration. Capture emails of customers who check out using the touchless payment system and send them to the autoresponder of your choice or the local restaurant owner's choice to remarket food specials to. Create product variations and sides. Add variations of products like large or small size. Plus, add on sides and customizations with ease. Forrk Lead Finder System. Find pre-qualified restaurant leads that are desperate for Forrk services. Using the Lead Finder training, we'll show you step-by-step how to find them so you're never without an agency client again. And even more features like fully cloud-based app, 24/7 support, DFY site hosting, client management system, fully tested, in-app training, frequent updates included, intuitive UI, 100% pandemic-safe solution. Okay, I know you're anxious to get Forrk with all of its incredible features, but we just want to up the ante and over-deliver a bit more. That's why we're going to make sure that you get the commercial license with your investment as a special bonus today. This allows you to sell the services from Forrk you make for any price you want to multiple businesses. Plus, you're getting the agency license as a special bonus today only. This means you can give access to the software for a monthly fee, easily charge $500 to $2,000 per month for access while they do all the work. Just 2 to 3 of these clients and you can have a thriving business you can run from the comfort of your home. Sounds amazing. I'm in. But what's the catch, you ask? The catch is, we cannot continue to offer Forrk for this ridiculously low price for much longer. To support the bandwidth for this cloud technology and provide you with world-class support, we have to raise the price every few hours. So fair warning, the incredibly low price you see below will disappear soon. Don't let it slip away and end up kicking yourself later. And you're protected by our ironclad 100% money-back guarantee. If you don't agree this is the biggest opportunity now and Forrk is super easy to use, then you pay nothing. It's that simple. We know this business works. And we know our restaurant marketing suite makes it easy for you to capture leads and deliver monthly services to hungry clients, even if you haven't had any success before. We've done all the hard work for you. If you're not 100% happy, just open a ticket with our rapid response support. So don't let this amazing offer slip away. There has never been an opportunity in marketing this big and this important in a long time. Not only can you seriously grow your agency with our proprietary software, but make a huge difference in the lives of many struggling restaurant owners that don't have time to figure out mobile ordering systems and online marketing. Remember, this founder's deal will only last a little while longer. Go ahead, pick the license that's right for you now. Press the Buy Now button below to lock in your discount on Forrk today. Go ahead and press the Buy button now, and we'll see you on the other side.
Okay, so we are back. So again, this is an example of a website that this can create. People can go to this, they can go on their desktop, they can go on their phone, and they can go in here and they can order. They can put all their different things in here. They can click on it. They can click whatever variants you want to have here with this, any add-ons that you want to have, a gallery here with different images here, FAQ, frequently asked questions, and people can actually place their order online and have it come directly to you. So it's a pretty cool thing. You can do this all inside of this back-end area here that is all hosted by Forrk for you. So it's all done for you. You don't have to worry about domain names and hosting with this. But there are some upsells here. So the first one here is a professional version. This says 10 times your Forrk results with the professional version with amazing features here. So this is going to give you unlimited stores and products. You can send bulk email notifications. You can send automatic emails, promotions, and notifications to restaurant site visitors and buyers. So you can have repeat customers come in. This is a great upsell for you to actually provide to your clients. Create unlimited QR codes and menus, their best templates, combos, and recommended products. Plus, you get a bunch more here for this. So this is an optional upgrade. Next one's done for you. So you set up your, let their team set up your first restaurant agency and land your first client for you. So if you want that to be done for you, 50 done for you sales, done for you client getting traffic campaigns, the Forrk Template Club access, done for you restaurant website customization, and more with this one. Another one here, sell Forrk to clients for 100% profit. So you can get the white label technology and actually sell this software to clients. So instead of saying, oh, I'll do this for you monthly, you can just sell them the software and let them handle everything themselves. So you don't have to worry about anything with it. You just sell them the software. The next one here is a Rewardsly. So it's like a loyalty program with this. You can sell breakthrough QR code loyalty programs to businesses, like people that are coming coming in. Like think of it when you go and you get a cup of coffee somewhere and they give you a little bit of like a punch card. Well, instead of doing it with an actual card, you can do it on an online system on your phone. And they also have here something called Play Picks, create profitable agency lead videos with the most powerful and flexible drag and drop video editor. So this is just like a video creator that's a little bit of an add-on for this. Now, you can get all these and go one by one by one. Now, but if you think that you want to get a bunch of these and you want to get a discount on it, you can actually get a bundle deal. I'll have a link to that below. And what you can do with that, you can get everything here. Let me scroll down on this. You can get all these different things here. You get the enterprise license, the professional, the done for you here. You also get the elite, the rewards lead, the play picks, all these different things all put together for a one-time price. There's two options. It's the enterprise. Oh, you get the enterprise one here. That's the normal one, or you can get the whole bundle for a discounted price here. So that's $247. You normally pay hundreds more for it, but you can get everything at a discounted price if you pick it up on this page here. So again, I'll have a link to that below. You can pick and choose which ones you want if you want to go through the funnel, or you can just go bam, get the bundle and have everything. So what do I like about Forrk and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I guess the fact that when you go out there and you reach out to these clients, don't expect that everyone's going to want to buy from you. You are going to take some rejection. You are going to need to email people, or if you are comfortable with it, like actually approach people in different restaurants and stuff and ask to speak to them. It's up to you how you want to do it. You can do it all via email. You can do it over the phone. You can hire someone to do it for you. It's up to you how you want to approach that, but there will be some rejection. What do I like about this? I think this is a great idea. I think that anything that involves like being able to really help people and solve a big problem for them and involves you getting paid for it, it's just a win-win situation for everyone. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Forrk, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And please hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.